Today we're doing a modern and winterized version of one of my favorite classics, the Absinthe Rickey. My name's Leandro Di Mandriva. This is The Educated Barfly. LMAO, I love the mind-blown moments. Let's get into making the cocktail. Today's cocktail is so simple. No shaking, maybe just a little bit of stirring. We're building it straight in the glass. You're gonna love it. First things first, center our glass, grab some soda, some club soda. We're just gonna do about roughly 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. Then we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of white creme de menthe, and 2 ounces of absinthe. Now, we're just going to add a little bit of pebble ice like so, maybe a little more. And we're going to give it a nice little stir to combine everything. As you can see, the absinthe sort of changed color. That is called the louche. And then we're just going to top it up with a little more pebble ice, and then just give it a little grating of cinnamon on top. Come on, I like my cinnamon. And then we're just gonna, ooh, I want a nice, I was gonna try for like a nice green straw. Well, close enough. Just give it the old swirly poo. I say it's swirly poo.
Swirly poo in the mouth?
Tasty pants? Swirly poo? Tasty pants? I don't know. Ooh, yeah! A little chocolatey, a little tart, nice and absinthe. I don't know, you get that very pronounced. Obviously, there's 2 ounces of absinthe in it, and absinthe is not a gentle flavor, so you get that really big anise black licorice pop with just a little bit of acidity in there from the lime juice. Nice bright sharpness though. Fantastic, wonderful. This is such a nice drink, but you do have to really love absinthe to drink it. You will not hallucinate if you drink this drink. Marius has a question. Yes, Marius.
I said hold for the Choppa.
Oh, he doesn't have a question. We're waiting for the Choppa. So this cocktail was created by a bartender named Neil Bodenheimer of a bar called Dauphin's in Washington, D.C. And I've got to say, Washington, D.C. is really becoming a fantastic and very interesting place to drink. And I don't know if it's just emerging now or if just nobody's paid attention or not that many people have paid attention, but everyone should pay attention in Washington, D.C. It's fantastic. This drink is in the Rickey style, although it's kind of a loose representation of a Rickey, and the Rickey has a really interesting history. So the Rickey was created in a bar called Shoemaker's, also in Washington, D.C. in 1883. There was a regular there who was a Democratic lobbyist named Joe Rickey, and he could not have sugar. I have heard a lot of different reasons why he couldn't have sugar. Some say he was diabetic, some say he just had an aversion to sugar, but for whatever reason, he would always go in and ask for rye whiskey with soda on top of it. One day, the story goes, he walked in and he asked the bartender for limes inside his regular drink, and the bartender put some limes in, crushed them up, made his regular drink, and the Rickey was born. So there you have it, guys. Go drink it. The Absinthe Rickey. If you like this channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon and YouTube memberships. Check out our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, for merch, our virtual bottle program, articles. Sometimes we have limited gear there. We've got some good stuff. And you guys should go check it out. And I cannot end a video without thanking our patrons and our YouTube memberships. It is these people here that make this channel possible. There is a lot of things that we would not be able to do without you, and I really, really thank you for your patronage. It means a lot to us. And if you guys want to become a patron or a YouTube member, you should do it. They get a little bit of stuff that you don't get, and you could get it too. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I hope we helped your cocktail dreams come true. Go out and give this a mix, kill the week, and I'll see you guys later.